Small to medium lenses Alto by Bose.
You can purchase Bose lenses Alto separately.
The mirrored silver lenses Alto frames by Bose. Prices here in Kuwait is 10 KD converted to 1,580 pesos.
Unboxing. What is inside the box? Let's find out.
Inside the box is mirrored silver lens.
The user guide. Manual.
Let's remove the old lens and have a try. Remove the lens. Start by facing the frame away from you and rotating them from sideways. Then place your thumb on the top center of the lens. Press firmly until the entire lens pops out of the frame. Repeat this step for the second one. To keep your lenses clean, use the microfiber cloth bag included in your frames and wipe gently. In this video I will show you how to change and swap out lens Alto frames by Bose. When inserting the lens, apply pressure in this order. Start on the top closest to the bridge, then the other top corner, followed by the corner below that, and then lastly the bottom corner closest to the bridge. Let's have a try. Pick up the frame facing you and hold it sideways. Line up the lens in the correct side. And then apply pressure on top corner closest to the bridge, then the other top corner, then the corner below that, and finally the bottom corner closest to the bridge by pressing all four corners to confirm the lens is secure. Then repeat this step to the second lens.
These lenses are swappable to other color according to your preference.
Bose prescription lens can purchase separately, or you can ask to your nearest optical clinic. Featuring an intuitive design, these replacement lenses for the small to medium and medium to large Bose Frames Alto are easy to interchange, all on your own preference. Can block up to 99% of UVA and UVB rays, with a polarized option available in there. Forged from premium materials to ensure they won't easily scratch or shatter. Can put also customized prescription lenses for Bose Frames, polycarbonate, shatter-proof prescription lenses for the famous Bose Audio. Bose lenses. If you found this video is useful, make sure to subscribe to my channel at Click Couple Traveler by clicking on that button, and also click that bell icon on that side to make sure you will get notified every time I upload my new video. Thank you for watching.